Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Vodvod.top. First, understand that Vodvod.top is a versatile platform designed to enhance your streaming content experience. It primarily allows you to access and watch unlisted or subscriber-only videos on Twitch. Beyond that, it functions as a comprehensive tool for downloading video-on-demand content and clips from popular platforms such as Twitch, Kick, TikTok, and Africa TV, offering a broad range of content access. 1.3. To watch unlisted or subscriber-only Twitch VODs, you might need a browser extension. If you are using Google Chrome or Firefox, you should install the HLS extension to properly play the M3U8 video files. However, if you are on Safari, whether on a Mac or an iPhone, no additional extension is necessary as it supports these files by default. Remember, the platform typically lists VODs from the past 14 days, though partnered Twitch channels may have content available for up to 60 days. 1. Vodvod.top also offers robust recording and downloading capabilities. You can easily add your favorite streamers to your account, and the service will automatically begin recording their broadcasts. These recorded streams are saved securely online, allowing you to watch them using the built-in player or download the full video files for offline viewing. Free users can access recordings from the point of adding a streamer, while premium users enjoy retroactive access to older content and additional benefits like up to 8K quality and recording 100 streamers simultaneously. 3. This platform provides a comprehensive solution for managing your favorite video-on-demand content, offering millions of recordings and downloads. Your recorded streams are saved securely on their servers at no cost, ensuring you never lose access. For enhanced features, such as recording in up to 8K quality or managing 100 streamers, consider a premium upgrade. Always be mindful of content ownership and potential Digital Millennium Copyright Act complaints, especially if your content appears on the platform without your explicit permission. 3.7.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.